You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word, or let's call it this name. This is a surname of Spanish origin. Now, if we are talking about, there's an American anthropologist and writer that's quite famous. Now, if you don't have the tilde, which is the little wave above the N, which normally is there in Spanish, in English it's usually pronounced as Castaneda. Castaneda. Now, if you do have the tilde on the N, or if it's really strongly a name of Spanish origin, somebody of Spanish or a Spanish-speaking country, it's going to be Castaneda, because the N with the tilde is pronounced more like GN, so ña. Castaneda, that would be the Spanish pronunciation, or Castaneda in English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.